Okay, today we are going to make water kefir, and we're going to make something that's similar to lemonade in its taste. And what we're going to do is use organic lemons, Turkish apricots. I get these at any type of Whole Foods type store, particularly Whole Foods here. We're also going to use spring water, and the reason why we use spring water is because it has a mineral base to it that you're not going to find in filter water that actually helps the grains, the water grains in the kefir to actually expand and multiply, so you'll never have a shortage of those grains. You can either give those to someone else or start more replications of stuff that's actually happening. I have a great container here that I actually got at Home Goods, and it's good for actually starting the kefir, and it has a good length to it where things can rise, because the figs are going to kind of change position throughout the process, and they'll kind of swell up and rise to the top and go to the bottom and stuff like that. So anyway, it's a very nice visual thing. And so what we're going to do is get started, and I've got some rinsed kefir grains here, and we're going to be adding them in. But first, what we want to do is put the sugar in, then add the water, kind of shake it up, mix it up a bit, add the lemon, the figs, the kefir grains, and we'll be all set. And then we're going to let it rest for a couple of days. These grains have been doing their thing a few times now, and in the beginning, you're going to find if you get dried kefir grains, it's going to take 4 or 5 days to get it going. This takes about 2 days to do its thing. So anyway, let me show you how to put it all together. Here's a look at what the kefir grains typically look like. And they tend to be faceted, almost like a diamond or shattered glass. So they have all these different edges to it. And they're a little bit more fragile than milk kefir grains. They don't have the same shape to them, but they serve a similar function. So anyway, I just want to show you up close what they look like. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put the sugar in, and the sugar is going to be a half a cup per 6 glasses of water. So we're just going to get this half a cup measure, put our sugar in. You can do up to 2/3 of a cup. That's good too. Now what I'm going to do is use one of my canning jars is a method of measuring. Since it's 4 cups automatically to the top ridge here. There's 4. Put in another 2. Okay, there's our 6 cups. Now what I want to do is shake this up a bit. I want to mix the sugar up a little bit before the culture gets in there. And that way it's not all clumped against the bottom along with the kefir grains, the water kefir grains. So we just get it mixed up, get it dissolved a little bit. Sugar's not the quickest dissolving thing. But the kefir grains are going to feed off it anyway, since it's going to be on the bottom. Alright, put this aside here. And what we're going to do is measure 7 tablespoons of these kefir grains. And we're going to put them in. Slightly heaping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I just just have a few little strays left here. I'm going to put those in. Alright, now I have a couple of figs here, and I'm just going to rinse them slightly. Rinse them off. Put them in. Now we're just going to cut the lemon in half. We want a half a lemon in there, and that's just going to float up at the top. Then we're going to put the top on. I'm going to put it completely tight, just enough to let it breathe a little bit. And what I'm going to do is put this in a dark cupboard and let it rest for 2 days. The process is so easy for this, and it produces such a nice tasting thing. If you're not a big milk drinker and milk kefir isn't for you, it has a lot of similar properties as milk kefir. And this will be something that might be palatable or in addition to what you currently drink. But has a lot of health benefits. Look at the end of this video. We'll have a list of the health benefits. And also, please go to the site, cultureprobiotics.com, and I'll have additional recipes. Thank you.